What's the meaning of cayenne pepper? Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is a type of spice made from dried and ground red chili peppers. It is commonly used in cooking to add heat and flavor to dishes. The spiciness of cayenne pepper comes from a compound called capsaicin, which has been shown to have various health benefits such as reducing inflammation and improving digestion. When consumed, cayenne pepper can cause a burning sensation in the mouth and throat, make you sweat, and potentially increase your metabolism. It is important to use cayenne pepper in moderation to avoid overpowering the flavors of other ingredients in a dish.